Behold the stunning sight of thousands of free pigeons gathered in front of the Intercontinental Regency Hotel and Financial Harbor Tower. A true symbol of urban wildlife. These birds add to the charm and character of the bustling cityscape. These birds, with their graceful movements and soft cooing, add a unique charm to the busy city streets. As they gather in great numbers, they create a vivid display of nature amidst the towering buildings and bustling crowds. Free pigeons are birds that are not kept in captivity, but rather are allowed to live and move freely within their natural habitats. These birds are not owned by any individual or organization, and are free to come and go as they please. They are able to forage for food, nest in trees or other natural structures, and interact with other birds in their community without human intervention. Free pigeons are an important part of the urban ecosystem, helping to control pests and disperse seeds, while also providing a source of beauty and wonder for city dwellers and visitors alike.